Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. About to show you some items I picked up at local estate sales here over the past couple weeks. Pretty much all Craftsman, some vintage stuff, some rare stuff, and so let's go here. Here's what we got. Okay, the first thing is I think there's a 6-inch and a 10-inch 2-piece adjustable wrench set. This package is $44,619. Never seen this before. They usually come as a 3-piece set, but usually a pretty good seller. Okay, and the next thing I got is so this is a Craftsman hacksaw. Never seen this style before. Made in USA. I got a friend of mine that collects this older Craftsman stuff that I'm pretty sure he's going to buy this from me the minute he sees it. I don't see a part number on it. It does have some ID markings, but another good little find. And then here we got some metric ignition wrench set, $44,777, 10-piece. It's like little combination wrenches. So I got this. So this is a Craftsman Professional Handy Cut. I've seen some reviews on this online, and a lot of guys say this is really a good tool. I'll always pick them up when I see them at estate sales. Have pretty good luck selling these. Okay, next thing we got is a couple of Craftsman slip joint pliers. This one here is a 45,378, I believe, and this one is a 45,379. So I think one's like a 7-inch, one's an 8-inch. Okay, then I got this is a 1/2-inch drive sliding breaker, V Series. Okay, then I got a 1/4-inch spinner handle, or flex spinner, I guess they call it. Let's see, part number looks like 4355. And then I also got a 1/4-inch drive flex extension. See, it's a 4336 is the part number on that. Okay, then I got this, so it's a V Series. Let's see, the part number 42791. A little flex head ratchet with the hourglass selector. Pretty good little piece. Then I got so this is a V Series 1/2-inch drive breaker bar. Pretty good shape. I got 3 combination wrenches, a 7/8, a 15/16, and a 1-inch. Those are $5 each, but it was the second day of the sale, so they were 25% off. So I guess they were $3.75 a piece. Okay, then I got the 4-piece double box wrench set. I believe these are V Series. have the B on them now. They got the double line, forged in USA. Always have pretty good luck with these two. Here we're getting so this is an older piece. This is an 8-inch Craftsman Circle Y. If you see the Y there, it does have an owner's mark on it, but I know guys collect the Circle Y, Circle H, and stuff like that, so I'll pick it up. Then we got a Flex Craftsman spark plug socket. This is a G Series 43322, the part number on that. Okay, then we got, this is a hard to find set of ignition wrenches. This is the 4-piece metric box end, part 4377. Then I did pick up this is a V Series 1/4-inch drive. It's got the little spinner adapter on it. Yeah, probably have to get that off later. Quick release, and it's got the oil port on the top. Nice little unit. So then we got a diagonal cutters. This looks like a 450. Is that 2.5 or 7.5? I think it's 7.5. Black handle pliers. Okay, then the last thing we got. I've never owned one of these before. So this is like a. It's got like, I don't know if you can see, it's like a ball swivel head, and it's a bit driver. What's the part number on this? Yeah, 47476. One thing cool about it, this here ring here, well, you can tighten it up, and it actually makes it rigid, so it doesn't wobble. And you know, you can adjust it to how much of it you want to flex it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool tool. Actually has the bits in there. If I can figure out how to get that open. It's got the bits too. So that's a pretty cool piece. Getting away on me there. Most of the time you find these older screwdrivers like this and they're missing the cap on them. And so I got this also with those wrenches. They had this listed at $5. That's Extractor Tool, the 5-piece set, $3.75. Didn't really need that, but that's one thing living in Arizona, you don't get a lot of rust on things. Okay, and the last thing I got is a set of 1/2-inch drive impact sockets. I think they go 7/16 to 1 inch, I believe, and it's got the impact emblem right on them. So that's everything we got for you today, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next one, you all have a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.